Artificial Fire Tiger here, and today we're going to take a look at creating an FX riser in the FreeSynth Vital. It's going to sound like this. Stick around if you want to find out how to create that. Okay, we're in Vital and we've initialized the preset. So first thing you do is turn off the oscillator and turn on the noise. So by default it's a white noise and it would sound like that coming through, and what we wanted to do is make it rise using a filter. So we're going to use LFO1 and we're going to create a triangular shape like this, and we're going to set it to 2 bars. So basically that's going to take a 2 bar point to rise up. We'll put this across over onto a filter. So we'll fire up a filter, we'll turn the resolution down, and we will put this over to the left. So now we won't have any, we haven't applied the filter. First we have to apply the filter to this white noise, and now you won't hear anything because the filter is completely cut off the whole thing. We're going to use LFO to now bring up the filter. So now when we click a key, it comes rising up like a riser. Now it will trigger around because it will loop, so you need to set this also to envelope, and this will now rise up through 2 bars. You can increase this to 4 bars and it'll be a slower riser coming up, obviously. So a couple of other things you could do. You could change the type of noise coming through using the various samples that are available. Getting different effects. So I'll increase this to faster over to 1 bar, so these will rise a bit quicker. So we've got the various different noises. I'm just going through the default ones that come with the Vital. I'll try one more. And that's how you create a white rise noiser in Vital. See you next time.